Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and some of the features that for a long time Microsoft has shown in its own demonstrations and even on ads. If you've noticed any ads of Windows 11 or PCs running Windows 11, you might have noticed that the richness of the display and the background wallpapers are staggering. And what we get is not even close to what we see. It would seem that Microsoft wanted to push, of course, we talked about it, dynamic wallpapers that actually can change. And they would actually apparently be using some form of AI to work out so as to not slow down the PC. And what happened is they kind of, decided to stop going there. They just kind of decided, no, well, we're not going to do it. And another thing that's been interesting is, if you go to your settings in the personalization and background, it's just the standard, wallpaper settings that we have all the time. Nothing fancy. Yet, they were supposed, and here's an image of the same page, the same settings page that was noted at some point. And look at one new feature here called depth effects. When available, use AI to add depth effects to background images. There's an on-off switch. And this showed up at some point and now is removed. And it seems that Microsoft has decided not to go there again. It's as if, I don't know why. And the worst part is that most of the PCs that you've seen in ads that had such vibrant wallpapers actually used that. This is the reason why they looked so good when you look at ads, and it doesn't look as good when you have it on your PC. Some of these things are actually being removed or maybe deprecated. So all of the work that's been done to try to have better wallpaper and better background images seems to be going away, and Microsoft seems to not want to. And I don't know exactly what's the decision behind this. But I think a lot of people would like, if you have to have some features with AI that people like, well, that would be probably one of them. Having any way of having decent, almost 3D-like wallpapers and that, changing with the different effects definitely would be something that I think people would want. But unfortunately, it seems Microsoft has reversed that decision and that we would not be getting any of those, at least for now. So I don't know if it's power usage or I just don't see the reason why this couldn't be there. I think a lot of people would like that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.